When logging in, please make sure to use the same email you provided during registration. If you do not have the invitation email, you're able to use the reminder button to get a reminder email sent to you again. The password you set will be the same on the desktop and mobile app. If you've attended another event with this organizer, you can reuse your previously set password. When you first log in, you will be presented with a few questions that help add information and details to your profile. These may already be filled in based on what you provided during registration. The more information you provide here, the better our AI algorithm is able to provide relevant recommendations for you to network with. As you continue to click through, you will have the option to update your contact sharing preferences. Click the profile icon in the top navigation bar. Here's where you can make changes to what you provided during registration. Things like your headshot, headline, job title, etc. Your name, profile picture, and headline are the snapshot of your profile that others will see when they are moving around the platform. As you move down, you'll see the onboarding questions that you previously answered upon first login. You can also add or edit your summary. Just make sure to click Update Profile to save all of your changes. When you are looking at the agenda of sessions, you can use the filters at the top or the session search bar to start building your personal schedule. When you pop into the session, you'll be able to see some more information about the session, speakers, and sponsors if applicable. As you add sessions to your calendar, they'll populate on your personal schedule further down the left navigation, where you're able to see your schedule at a glance. This includes both sessions and meetings you have scheduled. You can also confirm any pending meetings from here as well. When it comes to building your preference list for your meeting schedule, there are 3 main approaches you can take. If you know exactly who you're looking for, first and foremost, you're able to search for them by name or profile trait in the top bar of the platform. If you want to scroll and filter to find people, you can pop over to the appropriate profile list to browse. From here, you can use the filters in the top part of the platform to drill down and get a bit more granular about who you're looking for. You can also let our platform provide networking recommendations directly to you. Our AI engine will recommend people for you using an intelligent matching algorithm based on the details you provided during registration and the initial login, combined with the complementary fields that participants have provided. The more detail you provide the engine, the better our recommendations. This section will regularly populate with fresh recommendations, making it the most effective way to build your preference list. You'll receive batches of 10 profiles at a time. Use the meet, must meet, or no thanks preference to let our system know your preferences for that particular profile. Preferences selected will help shape your meeting schedule. These particular actions you'll be able to take from the Recommended for You section or from any of the lists or profiles you browse through. Please note the limit on how many profiles you can mark with each preference level. A no thanks preference may prevent a meeting from being booked. You can also review networking actions you have taken on the left-hand navigation if you need to change or update your preferences. When you are logging in, if you are the first person from your company, you will see an additional screen prompting you to claim your team. On this screen, you will be asked to add an internal name for your team. This will not change your company's name in the platform. Please leave the toggle turned on. You will now see the My Team section on the top right corner of your screen. The Meetings page is where you'll be able to see all of the meetings that you and any of your colleagues have on their calendars. You can change the way meetings are displayed based on your preference with the View and Team Members filters at the top. Like other calendar providers, shaded meetings are confirmed and white meetings are pending. As event participants interact with you, your colleagues, and your company profile, they will become leads. You'll be able to review and qualify or disqualify them. Qualify a lead by showing interest or requesting a meeting, or disqualify them by skipping or taking no action. Answer your team's custom qualification questions, rate or comment on a lead to collaborate with your team. Any messages that participants send to your company profile, you'll be able to see here. You can respond on behalf of the company by clicking on the chat button. Additionally, you will get a notification in your notification center for any new messages. As you qualify and book meetings with your leads, they'll convert to contacts. You'll be able to find that here as well as see any history for their activity with some additional filters and tools along the right-hand side. Here you are able to see all of the members of your team for this event. There are two roles, admin and team member. If you are the admin, you can edit your colleagues' personal availability and profile, as well as make other colleagues admin. All team members are able to book meetings on behalf of each other, edit the company profile, and answer any company chat regardless of their role. Here you have your company profile where you're able to manage your company's presence within the platform. Choose a cover photo that shows on the desktop version. Add or edit your company logo as well as the key profile fields. The logo and headline are super important as these display as your company preview throughout the platform. Please make sure you click Update Profile at the bottom to save any changes. Here you are able to view, add, and edit additional item profiles that you are showcasing at the event. These are updated very similarly to your personal and company profiles. From the Settings tab, configure custom questions to leverage for quick and consistent lead qualification. Choose between single select, multi-select, or paragraph open text question formats. These answers will be included on any export from my team. You'll be able to export your company's contacts and accepted meetings from the event. Both exports are available in a CSV or Excel file. Please make sure to qualify any leads before exporting your contacts.